Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can send bulk messages using Orso. You can upload an Excel file or a text file. So over here on the right, on the left, we have a text file. These are the numbers to which we want to send a message, and all the numbers are separated by space. Either you can separate them by space or you can put them on a new line. Either of them will work. Now, for sending the bulk messages, it is very important to be on WhatsApp web. So go to WhatsApp web. After that, click on the Orso extension. This will show there will be a upload button on the right. Click on that upload button. It will ask for the file. A model will appear. Go choose the file name. Once the file is uploaded, you will get all the numbers on the right. Now, either you can change the template from the drop down or you can write your own custom message. Post that, you can click on auto send. This will show a pop-up that how are you is the message that will be sent to all the numbers. And let's click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it will start sending the messages. I hope